Hi, it's Dean for the Asus ROG Phone 6D, and I'll show you how to activate always on alarm option on this device. So always on alarm option, this is the option which is activated when your phone is turned off. If you want to use this option, you should first open the alarm. So let's just open the clock. And from here you'll access to the alarm. Also, you could open the control panel and find here alarm option. Tap on it, then click on the right upper corner to this three dots to more icon. Go to the settings and scroll down. Here you'll see always on alarm option, the switcher. Just to activate this option, you should use the switcher. To turn it off, click on the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.